guys. Just gonna pause. Okay, we're recording. So yeah. Oh, and then someone linked it in the chat. Great. So that's our website. Sorry, continuing on with the lecture. So the top three students with the most Schulich Ignite points will get some of these prizes. So we could have a $50, you guys could win a $50 Amazon gift card, or you could get a free access to some of these cool courses. I do remember taking this data science and machine learning one. Maybe it wasn't this exact one, but this one's very relevant. So hopefully you guys could win that. And we'll track sort of the amount of points that you get from attendance, submitting exercises, and actually submitting a final project by this spreadsheet. I believe you guys might have access to this. I think you guys also have access to these slides, but if you have any more questions regarding that, you could ping us on the Discord or I guess access this link. Oh, oh, okay, someone stop. Oh, did I stop sharing my screen? I am so sorry. Okay. Thank you for pointing that out. But yeah, if there is an issue, just shout it out to me. Oops. Okay. Oh, and then there's more people in the waiting room. Sorry. But yeah, if I'm not sharing my screen, please shout it out. I mean, that is very helpful. Oh, yeah. So just basically, we have a spreadsheet to keep track of your night points. So just ask questions regarding that. But there's also a list of rules and frequently asked questions on our website. So please read those. So, like I said, you get sort of more points, but for consistent attendance. So for your first attended session, you'll get 5 points, but with each basically consecutive one, you'll get even more 5 points. So this is just an example right here. So basically, Anna, this mentee, he showed up for session one, all the way to session five, but she was unable to attend session six, so sort of like the counter resets. But this is just one example. Uh, and another thing that I mentioned about something called quick questions. So for the online, so these are worth sort of like 10 to 20 points each. And basically we'll ask sort of like in-class questions, and they're typically just multiple choice answers. You guys aren't in the Thursday session, but on the Saturday session, we'll have questions answered through a poll. And additionally, we have these. I believe you guys have access to these slides, but at the end of every session, there's a set of slides that talks about sort of like weekly challenges or exercises. These are worth sort of at 50 points each. They should be uploaded every Monday at our Instagram page, and then there's a Google form link for that. And you guys need to submit something called a trinket link. I'll talk about that later. But there's two levels for these exercises called Pythonic Lava and Bug Busters. And again, there'll be more info in session one. Okay. Okay. So, yeah, this is what they kind of look like in the past, although they might look a little bit different in this semester. And I don't know if you guys have, but please join the Discord. This is where you'll be able to ask questions outside of these class times, and you could show off and you could drop down links to your cool projects that you make throughout the year, throughout this term. And again, maybe some mentor could drop that in the chat. That would be helpful. But yeah. Yep. And then when you do join the Discord, please, there's different like bot commands. So if like, for example, if you're in the Saturday session, you do group set Saturday and then your group number. This is so that you'll have like a personal channel where you could talk to your mentor, your specific mentor exactly. But yeah, check your email for the exact day. Well, it's Saturday and the exact group number. So I know I'm group 11, but we'll cover that later. Okay, just sorry, just checking the chat. Yeah. Okay. And another thing, if we go back, I also talked about something called the end of session gala. So we hope that sort of at the end of all of these 8 weeks of listening to me ramble and learning about Python, you'll hopefully have the ability to make sort of a final project that you could showcase. And I remember I attended the end of session gala last year. It was really great. But this is how you could learn. We'll invite sort of like software engineers as well as some industry professionals. And from there, you could even showcase your projects from them. They'll ask you questions, and it's a very great time. But yeah, we have some in the past, we have had some people from Google and Microsoft talking about their experience. So I do highly recommend submitting a final project and showcasing it at the end of session. Ooh, my glasses. Oops. Okay. So with that all said, with all those logistics said, let's get started and let's try to make our coding environment. So I hope you guys read the description of this beginner course. It is a Python course. And just as context, Python is one of the most used programming languages. I don't know if I could verify those statistics, but it is highly used. It's used a lot in like web development in the back end, and also with AI and machine learning right now. Most machine learning programs actually use Python, and most scientists use Python. And with that, so we're going to be doing a lot of our coding in this platform called Trinket. So maybe a mentor could link that down below. There's no downloads needed, and you just have to sign up now to get started. With that said, I'm just gonna go. Okay. And yeah, and this little note here is Zoom. So we'll have lectures, and within lectures, we'll have breakout rooms where you'll be in specific rooms with your mentors. So yeah, if everyone could sort of like type this into their browser. Oh, there we go. Oh, and there's people in the chat. Yeah, someone's typing it. Sorry. Okay, and I'm just gonna exit here. I'm actually just gonna show you guys how to get started. So basically, you could just type in trinket dot. Yep, you could just type in trinket, and then if you go to this. Oh, oh, okay. But basically, if hopefully you'll sign up with your like Gmail account, then you could go to. Oh yeah, you could go here. You could go to My Trinkets. And then you could tap in new trinket. And then from here, if you go back into the slides, yep, go back here. So in this case, we want to create a Python trinket. Not Python 3, we'll just do Python for now. Okay, and then this is the environment where you'll be coding in. But basically, as a basic rundown, if you look over here, this editor that says main.py. That's where you'll actually be doing most of your coding. And then this draggable cell on the right here is where you'll see the output. So you might be drawing a circle or animating a character, and then you'll see it right here. This is a save button. You could rename it to whatever file that you want. I'm just gonna go back here. What other things do I need to cover? Yep, so this is your coding environment. This is the output. You could name the file here. And then this button is what you'll press in order to run your code so that it'll appear right here. And in addition to that, oh, was it again? Okay, might press save. So once you do press save, you have these options called copy. But most importantly, I just want to go over this share function. So in order to submit your assignments, you need to share sort of like a link to your Trinket code, and you do that by pressing share, link, and then you could copy this, and then you could paste it. Oh, sorry. But basically, this is what you'll need to copy and paste into the Google form for submissions. And yeah. We might, although we're session 0, we're not gonna do we're not going to do any coding today. In session 1, we will, but please set this up so you're immediately prepared to hit the ground running. Okay, now let's go back to the slides. And yeah, if you have any questions, just link them down in the chat. I think the mentors are always keen to answer any questions. Okay, and another thing that I do want you guys to set up. So I did mention something about like in-class questions. So although some of them might be used, although some of them might be administered with the Zoom poll, another thing that we'll use is something called Top Hat. So maybe a mentor again could link this in the chat, but basically we want you guys to sign up in our Top Hat sort of classroom. So I don't know if I could exactly go into the tutorial for this, but oops. Basically just type in Top Hat. Type it right here. You should create your account. And there we go. And from here, just from the instructions, so create your account using your first and last name, and please use the same email as your Zoom account so we know which person to tie it back to. But if you look back here, I'm a student, sign up. So once you reach the sign up portion, please type in University of Calgary. University of Calgary. There we go. Please type that in, or else it won't work. Oh, I guess it didn't. Okay, there we go. Yes, University of Calgary. Then you type in sort of like the email, maybe do. Yep. Okay. Then your account will be created, and then another thing is that you'll have to sort of like later on you'll have to specify your course code using like in this case I want you guys to sign up for the Saturday session, so please input this. But I hope you guys got that sorted out. But if you guys have any more questions with this, you could also ask your mentor when we go into the breakout rooms. But I won't go too in depth with setting this up. But yeah, just ask some questions in the Discord and whatnot. But just to keep in mind, choose University of Calgary and sign up as the same email as your Zoom account that you signed up for Schulich Ignite. Yep, and just like what I said, if you had problems with the platform, oh, and I forgot, I guess we will go into a quick breakout room. Okay, so with that in mind, oops, what was that? With that in mind, we'll start practicing how to get into your breakout rooms. So I'm gonna open them. Okay. Oopsies. Oh, see if I'm gonna pause this. Okay, no, I think I have to stop sharing for a bit. I'm gonna stop sharing this. Then if we go, I'm gonna open out the breakout rooms. Oh, let participants choose rooms. I think there's 13 groups. I'm not too sure. I think I'll set up 15. But I'm gonna open them, and remember each student here is assigned a specific room number, so please check your email. And I'm gonna open them up and go to the room that you were assigned, and you'll hopefully meet your mentor there. And there we go. I've opened them up. Okay, there we go. Some people are joining. And I'll give around maybe 10 or 15 minutes for you guys to get Top Hat set it up. Okay, I guess I'll see you guys there.
Wait, how do I join the breakout room again?
Oh, I believe there's an option that says Give me a
Is it
sec.
on the Discord?
Oh, no. It's on Zoom. It's on Zoom.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It's all good. But yeah, please join your breakout room. For those in group 11, please join group 11 if you're under me. But once you got Top Hat sorted out, just have a chat with your mentor.
Wait, I couldn't see the breakup room choice. I don't have it in my.
Oh, you do? Uh, rooms. It's not showing on your in your Zoom.
Yeah.
No, same here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll try. Yep, another person raised their hand.
I can't seem to find my what breakout room I'm supposed to go to.
Okay, I think, was it again? You probably, did you receive an email from Schulich Ignite earlier this week?
I did.
Okay, it's probably listed in that email.
I got two though. I got two emails, like two different groups.
Oh, really? In
Yeah.
that case, just
I didn't
join.
get any.
Yeah, so if everyone had, oh, really? Just join, just join the first group just join one of the two groups if you were assigned multiple. But yeah. I'm not too sure regarding sort of the breakout rooms. It should be available to you guys. There are people joining breakout rooms right now.
I still can't find mine
Wait,
in my email.
is it that you get an email about your meeting ID and a passcode?
It should be Schulich Ignite group information.
How do I join the meeting again? The other one?
There should be a breakout room option at the bottom of the menu.
I didn't get any email or any breakout room option.
Okay, with that in mind, in that case, you could join one of the breakout rooms. But that's a
Wait, for
odd.
future
Wait, how do I join
purposes,
this?
how would I do that?
Yeah. How do I join the breakout room?
Okay. How to join should be available there. It should be near like the chat option.
No.
Can you guys see that one? Participation in breakout rooms. I'm gonna pause the recording. Oh my goodness, I completely forgot the recording, but that's fine. Okay, I thought I had my mic muted. I would have looked like a fool. How's the breakout rooms? Pretty good. Maybe it was a bit too long. I apologize. But hopefully Top Hat is set up. You got to get, I don't like saying that. You got to get your mentor a bit better, who they are. Some of these people are like university students, so yeah, like if you had any questions regarding university, just ask us. But I'm just gonna share my screen again. I'm gonna Google Chrome. Okay, hopefully everyone can see that. Okay. Hopefully the icebreaker activity was fine. And this is practically sort of the end of today's session, session 0. So remember, before you go, please join the Discord. There's a lot of helpful people on there. Could also a lot of our mentors are active on there. So if you didn't have a chance to ask questions, go ahead and drop something there. Please set up your Trinket account and please set up your Top Hat account. Trinket, we'll use it for our coding, obviously, and then Top Hat, there'll be some like bonus questions on there that will count towards like Schulich Ignite points. And although today's meeting did start at 11 a.m. today, for future meetings every Saturday, our start time will actually be 12 p.m. So please mark that on your calendar, and we'll have that start time for the following 8-ish weeks. With that said, thank you guys for coming, for showing up to today's session. Really appreciate it. I don't know, interacting with like students, so like, I don't know, pretty fun. Oh, and yeah, questions. So yeah, Nav, if you have a question.
So our assignments are gonna be available on Top Hat, like that's what we're referring to, right?
No, what's it again? Maybe I'm bad at communicating this, but Top Hat will have in-lecture questions. So there'll be questions that I'll post in class, and then using Top Hat, you'll answer those in-class questions. Did that
Okay.
make sense?
Yeah,
And
and we're just submitting our assignment on Trinket, like copy link, and then we send it to Google Form, which is our okay.
yes, that's
Thank you.
great. Sorry if I wasn't clear about that. Thank you for
No. It was just I was a bit distracted. I was setting my top hat when you were talking about it.
Okay, my bad. But yeah, as Nav was saying, for the sort of like end of session exercises and some of the assignments, uh, copy and paste that Trinket link into the Google form, and then that's how we'll review it. And with regards to that Google form, I don't know if we've set it up yet, but you'll have to paste the link to your code, which is the Trinket URL, and then you have to specify which group or mentor you're assigned with. But yeah. What Google form? Yeah, we'll tell you about that next session. Or we'll email. I forgot. Don't worry about that one. Any other questions? Any other questions? Where are the slides uploaded? I'm not too sure if that's unfortunate if we didn't email you the slides. Can one of the mentors link down
It's in the Discord.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You seem to know more than me, Nav.
No, I have it open right next to me, so
Okay, very resourceful. Okay. That's good. That's another reason to join the Discord. Oh, I've got more questions. Yeah, and I think they are posted on the Schulich Ignite thing, and the Schulich Ignite website, so you could probably search us up as well. Okay, yeah, that's fine, Gabriella. Yeah, just try, you could use their same email, or you could email info.schulichignite and see if you want to switch it if you want, though. But yeah, it should be fine. Is there any other questions? What time should we start? Well, I think you could calculate the time difference. I think it would be at 11 a.m. Yeah, it's 11 a.m. Any other questions, comments, concerns, secrets? I don't know if you guys want to share secrets with the rest of. Okay. How do I check what group am I in? I don't get the email. So, yep, CM, it is 1 hour and a half every day. And Harshik, how do I check what group I am in? Can you email info.schulichignite? Maybe you've yeah, can you just email them? Schulich.info. I don't know the exact listing, but I'm pretty sure they could help you there. Oh, what the heck? Where is chat? Chat. Questions. Are there questions for today's session? No, there's no like assignments or whatever. Today was just kind of chill. Well, I hope it was chill. Anything else, guys? No? Well, I guess everyone's not the mentors. The mentors, can you guys stay after the meeting? We'll do a debrief. But all the other attendees, you guys are free to leave. It is the end of session right now. See you guys.
Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Have a great.
Bye.
Oh, happy Thanksgiving, by the way. I didn't. That is.
Oh,
this
you
Monday.
too.
Yeah. I've been swamped with work. I have not. Don't take notes of those days. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Yep.
you.
See ya. See you
Bye.
next Saturday. Wonderful program. I
Bye,
like it.
guys, and have a great Thanksgiving.
Yep. See ya. Okay.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Bye bye.
Yep. Oh my goodness. I'll stop my.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Abby, is that everyone? Are we all mentors in this room now? Abigail and Freya. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording.